learning as they count, let's go. Even numbers. The monkeys find some snacks to share. Banana split with jungle flair. 2 by 2 they pass them out. No one left, they jump and shout. When numbers split with nothing left, that's an even. We're impressed. Monkeys swing and monkeys play, counting numbers every day. Climbing high and jumping low, learning as they count, let's go. Odd numbers. Now monkeys try with nuts and seeds. They share again to meet their needs. But oh, no one is left alone. No match just sitting on its own. When something can't split fair and wide, it's an odd, we decide. Can 4 split evenly? Yes, it can. What about 3? No, that's an odd. Let's swing and count.